Most people fear the stock market crash. They see red arrows and panic. Smart investors see a sale. This is your chance to buy pieces of great companies at a discount. This is how you get rich. Think of it like this. Your favorite store has a huge sale. Everything is 50% off. Do you run away scared? No. You buy as much as you can. The stock market is the same. A crash is just a big sale on businesses. Don't be afraid. Be ready. This is the time to make your move. It's the oldest rule in the book, buy low, sell high, but most people do the opposite. They get greedy and buy. When it crashes, they get scared and sell. Don't be like most people. Have courage when others are fearful. When the market crashes, that's your signal to buy. Find strong companies with good prices. Remember, the stock market always goes up and down. It's like a roller coaster. Don't jump off during the scary dips. Ride it out. History is full of people who made fortunes from market crashes. Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors ever, bought during the crashes. He knew a good deal when he saw one. Think about it. After the 2008 crash, the market went up for years. People who bought at the bottom made a lot of money. Those who sold in fear missed out. Crashes create opportunities. Don't let fear stop you from building wealth. Be smart. Be brave. Here's the key. Stay calm. Market crashes are emotional times. People are panicking, selling everything. But you are not like them. You have a plan. Do your research. Find good companies with strong track records. Look for companies that pay dividends. These are like bonuses on top of your investments. Don't invest everything at once. Buy in stages. This is called dollar cost averaging. It helps you get the best average price over time. Remember, crashes can be your ticket to riches. Be brave, be smart, and watch your money grow. Which step did you understand more? Please comment below and, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this.